Hi friends, I'm Christina. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about getting your house ready for spring. I'm gonna be teaming up with Lowe's because their Springfest just went live today and they have such amazing deals. We're talking $2 bags of mulch, $150 off of workstations, $100 off of mowers. So whether you're just cleaning your house up, getting it spring ready, or getting those outdoor spaces ready, there is something for you. As always, my goal is to make it super simple for you to shop this video. So I will tag everything down below in the YouTube shopping shelf, and those items are gonna pop up as I'm talking about them in the lower left-hand corner. And you can also scan this QR code at any time during the video, and it's gonna take you to my storefront, and I will have these Springfest deals pinned to the top so it's easy for you to shop. Starting off with one of my favorite picks, this Allen & Roth Ivy's Meadow 3-piece outdoor wicker set. This is perfect for having a cup of coffee or a conversation with a friend because it comes with 2 chairs. It's all weather wicker, so it has a really high-end look, but it's gonna hold up very well. This is hand woven, and the cushions are also stain resistant and fade resistant, so they are meant to be outdoors and stand up to all those elements out there. This does come in 3 colorways. I really love the blue that they're featuring in store because it's just very calm and relaxing. It's giving like beach vibes outside. And you can save at $50 on this set during Springfest, which is gonna bring it down to $448, which I think is a great value for 2 chairs and a table. Now, if you're like me, I do like to have some shade outdoors, so I would grab an umbrella to go with this set, and you can grab this Allen & Roth 9-foot aluminum black market umbrella with the tilt feature on it for $20 off right now, and you can get it for $79. I did test out the crank feature on this, and it works really easily. It's very smooth, it's very easy to get it open and close, and it comes in 4 different colorways, so you're gonna find one that coordinates with your space. And if you wanna add a little ambiance to your outdoor space, adding string lights is a great option to do. I know my kids absolutely love string lights, so I'm trying to figure out where I can put some out on the patio this year, and you can save $10 right now on a set of 48 feet lights. So that is going to cover your space for sure, whether you have a large space or a small space. And you're gonna be able to save $10 on those right now and get them for $39.98. Now, if you're looking to light up your space at night, whether it's the front of the house or the back of the house, if you have a dark sidewalk that you wanna light up, I really love these Harbor Breeze 10-pack solar lights. They come in a kit of 10. They're solar powered, so they're gonna charge up during the day and then be on at night. No wiring, you can put them wherever you want, and it's gonna give you a nice warm glow for your spaces at night so people aren't tripping. Right now you can save $5 on a pack of 10, and there are 3 different options to choose from. And another way to bump up that ambiance at night is to light up your trees or maybe the front of your house. And again, you can do it all with solar power, not having to wire anything with these Harbor Breeze spotlights. These are such a great deal. You can save $5 on these right now, bringing them down to just $10 a piece. Okay, let's move into curb appeal because it is time to be getting our lawn and our flower beds ready. And there is no better time to buy mulch than right now during Springfest because you can get mulch for $2 a bag. Now, this is the Stay Green Premium Mulch. I can attest it is very good. I bought it last year. It comes in brown, red, and black. So whatever color you want to do in your flower bed, you're going to be covered. And I know a lot of people run deals on mulch, but you definitely need to check how much mulch you're getting in a bag because you're getting 2 cubic feet with this bag, and it's definitely more than some of the other people that are offering $2 bags of mulch. So just check that out. And if you've never put a weed barrier down in any of your beds, I highly recommend doing that, especially if you're doing a new one or maybe it's been a while. Before you put that new mulch down, put that weed barrier down. It's gonna help so much, and you can save $3 right now on the Stay Green 50-foot by 3-foot premium weed barrier, and I think this stuff is great. But if you are a gardener and you have raised beds or you have flower beds that you are planting, you can also get vegetable and garden soil right now for $2 a bag, so definitely take advantage of stocking up right now. And while you're stocking up on your mulch and your garden soil and your weed barrier, don't forget to grab your yard bags because those are gonna be on sale as well. You can get 5 of those for $2, whether you're bagging your grass or just your yard clippings, your trimmings, your weeds, or anything. Just stock up on those bags now because they're on sale, and then you're gonna last and be set all throughout the summer. Now let's move to some of our bigger ticket items that you might be shopping for this spring, starting with storage. If you are looking for a shed, there are some great deals on sheds during Springfest. The one that really caught my eye is this Craftsman style one, and you can get it for $100 off right now. It has a really pretty modern look to it, and I love how it has the windows at the top, so you're gonna have plenty of light in there when you open the doors up to see and find what you need in there. It's just really great to have extra storage for those things that you need for your backyard, like your tools, your mower, if you don't have the space in a garage, or if you just need extra space in the backyard to store all those things, this is gonna be a really great option for you. And if you are shopping for a trimmer and a blower for your yard right now during Springfest is a great time to get that as well, because you can get this Cobalt 40-volt trimmer and blower set that comes with a 4-amp battery kit for $100 off, making it only $200. These are brushless motors, which means they're gonna be a little bit quieter, have a longer runtime, and they're gonna last longer. Both the blower and the trimmer have adjustable speeds on them, so you can adjust them to the work that you're doing. The 40-volt battery and charger is also compatible with 45 other outdoor tools that Cobalt offers, so you're starting off with a great base as you wanna build your arsenal for your backyard. Now, if you're shopping for a lawnmower, I really wanna encourage you to think about doing a battery operated one. You don't have to mess with the oil. You don't have to mess with making sure you have gas. That's like my least favorite part of using our lawnmower. And right now, Ego Power has 2 different lawnmowers that you can get a great deal on, starting with their 56-volt 20-inch push lawnmower. That's a 6-amp battery, and you can save $50 on that right now for $449. Such a great deal for a lawnmower, and you're gonna get 55 minutes of runtime for one charge. It has a easy, quick push button, which is great for people like me that struggle with starting a lawnmower. Now, if you want to bump up the power a little bit and get a self-propelled mower, you can get this model for $599. It's $100 off right now. Self-propelled is always going to make the job a little bit easier. You're getting a little bit longer runtime with this one in 60 minutes with the battery, but most of the feature is going to come that it's self-propelled, so it's going to make the job easier on you. This one also has a brushless motor, so it's going to give you that long runtime. You're going to have lower vibrations and noise, and it's gonna give you more durability on that motor. Both of these lawnmowers also come with headlights, which I think is pretty cool. So if you end up mowing your lawn and it's getting a little bit dark, you're still gonna be able to see what you're doing. Looking for a hose for your backyard, this 0G 50-foot kink-free gray hose is on deal right now. You can save $8, making it $36.98. I love these hoses. They can just fit in like a little bucket or a little bowl, and they get really, really small, and you don't have to worry about cranking them up and getting them all tangled or having a kink in them. So these are really great hoses to have. Now, if you're looking for something with a little bit more power cleaning, there are a couple of pressure washers that are on deal from Greenworks. I personally have a Greenworks and I love it. It has so many different features. You have different nozzles that you can use for wood, for cement, for turbo clean. It also has a soap dispenser in it. Depending on how much power you need in your pressure washer, they have 2 great options for you. You can get the one with 2,500 PSI for $299, saving $50 on that. Now, if you don't need all that power, you can get the one that I have. It's available for $199 right now. You're gonna save $50 on that. It is a 2200 PSI. Again, it comes with all the different tips for different cleaning applications. I've used it on my fence. I've used it on my patio. I absolutely love it. Now, if you don't have a grill yet, or you're looking to replace one, they have such a great deal on this Charbroil Performance Series Black 4-burner gas grill. You can save $70 on it right now and get this for $179. I was really impressed how slick this grill looks in person. It is really nice for that price point. You have tons of workspace, plenty of room for a lot of cooking for those cookouts and those get-togethers, so snatch up this deal. Okay, I know we're really focused on our outdoor spaces, but our indoor spaces can always use some work too. So rounding out my list, I have some interior things for you, starting with these Allen and Roth vanities. You're gonna be able to save up to $100 off some of these vanities, and let me tell you, their vanities are so good. It is making me wanna redo my bathroom. They come in a bunch of different colors and sizes, so there's gonna be something for everybody, but my 2 favorites right now are the Connery in warm oak. This thing is just stunning. I love all the features they have with the hardware on them is great and really on style and really on trend, and it has the soft close feature. So they're just gonna be like a really nice upgrade to whatever you currently have in your home. And then the other one I really like, I always wanna call it the Rain, but it's not the Rain, it's the Rianne. And I really love this in the walnut color. Again, I really love the hardware that comes with it. So if you're looking to change up your bathroom space, this is a really great time to save on these vanities. The Allen & Roth Harlow set is going to be on sale right now. This is a center set faucet. You can get it in 2 finishes, either the black or the brushed nickel. You can save $30 on these right now and get them for $59, which is such a great deal. And this is such a beautiful transitional classic faucet. And the best part about this faucet, it has simple fit technology, which I have used on my kitchen when I was installing a faucet in there. It makes it super easy. You don't have to lay on your back and install this. You can actually install all of it right on top, which is such a cool feature. I haven't seen a lot of people that do this. I don't know if Allen & Roth is the only simple fit technology out there, but coming from someone who doesn't install a lot of faucets, it was so easy. So it is gonna be super easy for you too. Now, if you have a new vanity and a new faucet, you're probably gonna wanna get a new light for that vanity as well. Or maybe your vanity light is just looking a little tired. This Allen & Roth Emery Sun. It's very hard for me to say that. It's gonna be on sale. It is a 4-light black matte vanity light. It also comes in 2 other colorways, a brushed nickel and a gold, and you're gonna be able to get that for under $70. And this is such a slick looking light. I really, really love it. I'm kind of considering changing out my bathroom because I like it so much. Now, if you're looking to upgrade some ceiling fans, this Harbor Breeze Northbrook 42-inch LED outdoor fan is gonna be on sale. Now, you can use this outdoors or indoors. Like, you can use outdoor fans indoors, you just can't use indoor fans outdoors. So I love this as an outdoor fan. So you can use it in a covered patio or you can use it inside. This is a smaller profile, so it's gonna be good for smaller spaces and smaller rooms, but it does come in 2 different colorways and you can save $30 on this right now, getting it for under $80. Since this is an LED light, it has some great features on it. It's dimmable, so you can make it as dim or as bright as you want it. And you can actually change the warmth of the light as well. You can make it really warm or you can make it cool depending on what you want in the space or the time of day that you have. And another cool feature about it is that it has reversible blades. So with the black one, you can either do black or a dark walnut color. With the white one, you can do white blades, or they have a light oak with them. So I love that you can change the look. You can even change it as you get bored of it or sick of it, but it's gonna go and coordinate in whatever space you have because you have that reversible feature on the blades. Okay, now rounding out my list, I can't leave out the tools because it's Lowe's, so we gotta talk about tools. And if you have not seen their Cobalt workbench that they have on wheels, it is just stunning. It is loaded with features. It has so many drawers. It has the electrical panel on the side. It has the rolling wheels so you can move it around your workspace, and they're just gorgeous. They come in so many different colors. And I just got a peek of the new colors that are coming very soon, including teal and purple, and the pink should be coming back in stock soon. Hopefully by the time this video comes up, it'll be in stock soon, but save it. So when it comes back in stock, you can grab the color that you want. But these are gonna be $150 off right now during Springfest. It's a really great time to buy it. I really, really love the white one, so snag that one up at $150 off. This is one of the lowest prices I have ever seen this workbench at. Now, if you don't have a workspace out in your garage, I have seen people use these in really creative ways. Like, it would be perfect for a craft room. I've even seen people use them in their laundry room if they don't have any cabinet space in there or counter space to fold things. I've seen them integrate these into their laundry room. So there's tons of uses for these. Now, there are lots of tools on sale, but I just pulled out my favorite one for you, and it's this DeWalt 4-tool combo kit. You can save $100 on it right now and get everything included in this kit for $400. This set comes with a drill and an impact driver, which is going to help you get so much done around your house. Those are like the number 2 tools you need for any type of project around your house. It also comes with a work light, which I think is very handy because how often do you need a flashlight, but you don't have batteries for it? But if you're charging your battery, you're always going to have a light when you need it. And then it also comes with a reciprocating saw, which is a great tool for demo. And then you're getting 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag with it. And one of these batteries is their power stack technology. So it is a smaller battery, but it packs a lot of punch, just as much as the big one, but is a smaller compact size. So it's going to be easier to handle. And last but not least, I have to include one of my favorite irrational obsessions from Lowe's. And these are the teal mini buckets that they have right now. I just love these mini buckets. I have one in pink. I have one in blue. Every time they put out a new color, I grab them. They're so fun to put like little candies in or gift cards if you're handing out gifts. And I just think they're really cute and they bring me a lot of joy, like even putting little plants or succulents in them and just putting them on the table. I love these. I know it's irrational, but I really love them and they bring me a lot of joy. So I think they'll bring you joy too. So if you're at Lowe's, make sure you pick up these teal buckets before they're gone and then keep your eye out for more colors that'll be coming this season. So many great deals. Let me know down in the comments what you are shopping for, what you're hoping to get your hands on during this Springfest. Again, I just want to remind you that these deals are starting today, March 26th, and they're going to run through April 8th. But some of these deals are going to end on March 30th too. So if there's something that you really want, make sure that you're grabbing it now. Don't wait till the end of the sale. This is just a handful of the deals that I personally loved and wanted to share with you, but there are so many more deals out there to be had. So make sure you go to Lowes.com and check them all out. Thanks for joining me for today's video, and thank you to Lowe's for partnering with me on it. I will be back with another video soon, and I will see you guys next time.